Hey there, so today we're going to be talking all about how you can use this really cool tool called Opus Clip to create a bunch of short clips from long videos instantly with AI. It's a really cool feature and thing you can do with this software, and so I'm excited to share with you how I'm using it for my own content generation to make a lot of clips from longer videos. These could be clips from podcasts, it could be clips from webinars that you do. I've noticed that it's best for talking heads videos. Those are the best ones to use it for. And so in this video, I'm going to show you both how to use the software, how you can edit using the software, and also how I'm using it right now for my business. Let's jump into it. So first of all, if you haven't used it before, you're going to want to go to opus.pro, that's the website, and it's Opus Clip, that's the technology. And essentially, it's going to basically show you how to do this for free. It's powered by OpenAI. You drop a video link in here. You're going to want to drop a YouTube video link or a Google Drive link or upload a file directly, and then it will instantly start to populate clips from the longer videos. Now, I will make a note here that I tried to do this for, let's say, a Loom video. If you're familiar with that, it's a really cool video recording software. It doesn't work for Loom. It only works for certain platforms, but the most common thing to do would be to use it for, let's say, YouTube to create something like AI clips from a long-form YouTube video. I also should note right off the bat that it's not the best for, let's say, videos where you're sharing your screen. Those kind of videos, like the ones I traditionally do, are not really the best for this, and I actually go over why later on in this video, because the one that I created is me sharing my screen, and it doesn't come out that great. The best kind of ones to do it for are talking heads videos, but this is how I would use it. Basically, I'm going to my YouTube channel and I'm grabbing the video link here, and I'm going to use this video link and put it inside Opus. I'm then going to pop this link right here where it says drop a video link, and you can see it says YouTube, Zoom, Vimeo, Rumble, StreamYard, and more. So I'm going to put this here, put the link there, and then say get free clips. Now keep in mind, it does say very specifically what it's best at, which is not for vlogs, not for gaming videos, not for music videos. As you can see here, it's video podcasts, educational videos, commentaries videos, product reviews, and motivational speeches. Those are what it's best at. Now, once you've gone and added your link, you can actually change the captions here. So you can change it to English, Dutch, any language you want. You can even translate it to a different language, to English from another language. And this will show you the amount of credit usage. You basically get a certain amount of hours for your clips at any given point in time that you can turn into these talking head videos. It'll show you the quality of the videos. It'll show you the processing time frame. This is how you save credits. So for example, this is a 14-minute video that's pulled from YouTube. If I want to make it shorter, I would come in here and I would basically say, hey, only look at the first 5 minutes and 47 seconds of this clip. If I want to change it, I can extend this and then make this shorter. So instead I can make it from 6 minutes and 45 seconds to 14 minutes and 10 seconds. I then can also pick the preferred clip length. You could select it as auto, or you can choose 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, 90 seconds to 3 minutes, or 60 seconds to 90 seconds. You're then going to want to enter in keywords, which is optional, but it can inform the AI into what exactly you want to see. It can give them some direction in terms of what the topic should be about. So I went here and I added for this video, no code, no code tutorials, AI, sales. Then once you figured out what you want to do, all you do is click Get Clips in one click. Now once you hit this button, it's going to start to process it for you, and it's going to give you an estimated wait time. The cool thing is you can upload these clips for editing and then just go and do your own thing. You don't need to do anything else at this point. All you have to do is just wait for the clips to be given back to you, and then you can do the rest later. When you're done, this is what you're going to get back. So I have this video that I just made recently called Create Your Own Custom Chatbot in Minutes with ChatGPT. It has the range and it has the total video length that it looked at. It shows the matches for different topics, and it created different videos just like this. It actually shows the potential virality score of these different videos, and this one has the highest score, mainly because I'll play this for you in a second, but basically this first video is me with a talking head, which again is what the algorithm of Opus prefers. They want to see talking head videos. If you scroll down and look at the rest of my videos, you can see that these are me sharing my screen, which they have explicitly said is not what they want. They do not want these kind of videos, but it does show the captions for these videos. It gives you a score, and it can actually show you what you can do to improve it. So it says, this video could benefit from a stronger hook to immediately engage viewers. The speaker introduces the topic, but lacks context or excitement. The ideas discussed are valuable, but the transitions between them are unclear. The introduction and conclusion are clear, but the body lacks specific information on how to use the bot effectively. Adding personal experiences would enhance the connection with the audience. While the topic is popular, the video does not address any current trends or issues related to it, right? So with this in mind, then you can improve the clips that you actually have. So it gives me a bunch of different options and rates them by the virality score, which honestly is a really cool implementation and use case for AI. So let me play this one for you so you can see what this first one is that's titled Create Your Own AI Chatbot with ChatGPT, Unleash Your Imagination. Now I am going to play this one for you, but just keep in mind that you might not be able to hear it just based on the video quality and how the sound comes through the YouTube video on the recording software that I'm using, but you can see from the captions how it was stitched together. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own custom chatbot with ChatGPT. They just launched this as a new feature that you can use to create anything you want, any variation of ChatGPT that you've ever wanted to use, either it's for your business or for your personal life. This video is going to show you how you can do it easily and succinctly. Let's dive into it. Now, as you can see, this is definitely the really common format on the internet. You got the very common sort of captions and the emojis, and it looks like any other video clip that's out there right now for any other talking head across the entire internet. Why? Well, Opus Clip is actually a very popular software, and many creators are using it right now to power their content creation processes. So it's not too crazy to think that the caption software they're all using is the same and it's producing very similar types of edits. But if you want to customize it to be something more similar to what you ideally would like for your edits, then I'm going to show you how you can do that next with the software tool. So this is the design layout that Opus shows you when you click edit on any one of the clips. It'll show you here on the left-hand side how it's stitched together, the different text, and then added emojis here, and you can click on these different sections to change the color, to add the emoji, to correct the caption, to set as the start, or to set at the end for different words on this. In addition, if I wanted to drag this, move it around, or if I wanted to not only drag but change it into a different direction, I could do that here. I can also see the length of the clip. I can turn on sound. I can change the layout by the scene. I can say to fit, fill, I can split it. I can do 3, 4, or screen share the current layout. One thing I would definitely look at is this split clip at current time feature, because I could definitely see a lot of scenarios, and I already have been doing it quite often, where I'll split a clip and I'll actually add additional information or videos into this section. So if I click split clip at current time, this is what's going to happen. Now, as you can see here, you can also add things like auto B-rolls, auto emojis, auto intro captions, and even captions and screen overlays if you'd like. Also, what you can do here is you can change the layout settings. So I went here and I clicked this drop down, and it actually opened this up. So you can change it from portrait to landscape, which if you do, you'll have to resize it, and then square. And then these different sizes are different layouts that you can have for the different clips. I also went ahead and I added auto intro caption, which adds this here. So you can see here that I have create your own custom chatbot easily, but I'm going to take this away and I'm just going to have that first section here, right? Or you can say create custom chatbot, right? Something like that, just to give more context to the viewers. You could turn that on or turn that off. Also, you can do auto B-rolls, which, to be honest, I didn't find extremely helpful, mainly because it doesn't actually load every single time. I just went and I added it to this video, for instance, and it didn't load instantly. So it is something that I know is in beta, so they're probably going to be improving that over time. You could change the captions to do 3 lines per page, 1 line per page, caption position, caption transition. You can change the color of the captions, and you could uppercase all text. There's just so many different things you can do with this tool to add for captions, auto emojis, auto B-roll, cropping, screen share, etc. Now, one thing I want to know as you're customizing all this is that you can actually save these different configurations that you're making as a preset, so that way when you create new clips, all this information, all this data is already configured for you every single time, which is an amazing way to use the software, because then all you have to do is just upload a clip and boom, the templated the exact same way that you want it every single time is done for the software. And if you want to access that, you just hit here, preset template. You can change it, you can save it, you can add additional templates, and you can edit the brand template so it's the same every single time. Plus, when you're done, then you just go over here and hit save and compile. Now, if you want to feed more data to the machine, you can click on this heart feature, and then it will actually give data to Opus Clip to make more clips just like that, or you can dislike it and it will stop making clips like that. If you want to download it, you can hit download HD and that will save it to your local computer. And then when you're ready, you can auto post to your favorite platforms. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Opus does charge you for the auto post feature, but it is such a cool feature, and honestly, it does add so much benefit to the platform and to what you're using that it might be worth it. But you can do auto posting to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and to LinkedIn. Keep in mind that when you sign up for this, you are going to have yearly upload minutes selected. So the amount of time that is being uploaded to these platforms is how it'll actually send it off and be auto posted. I hope you found this video helpful, and this is just such a mind-boggling way to edit content and create an enormous amount of material that otherwise would have just been sitting on the sidelines for most people, most creators. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you start using Opus. It's a really cool tool. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I definitely use them pretty heavily for my own work. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Also, I'll be making more content just like this every single day, hopefully, at least multiple times per week. So feel free to share with a friend who you think could benefit from this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.